Well, here in St. Augustine, the fishing has been on fire. After this storm, this huge storm we had, Hurricane Ian. Oh, Kathy's whipping that butt. It's another red. Nice.
He looks too small.
Oh, yeah. That looks like a... I have been trying to get bait, live shrimp. I'm here at St. Augustine Paddle Sports. I got the last 3 dozen of shrimp. The last. Guys, it's sold out. Got to wait till, I think, Thursday. I'm not sure. But fishing has been on fire down here. So make sure you bring your artificials, your scents, your things like that. And get out here and get fishing. There we go, fish on. Oh. Nah, it felt like a mangrove. Oh, first fish of the day. Kitty, kitty. It's not what I wanted to see, but. Oh, this hurts. There we go, we're good. All right, see you later, kitty cat. You're on? Oh shoot, you need the net? Oh yeah, that looks like a... You got the measuring stick in front of you. Nice, redfish. What are we using, shrimp or mullet? How many spots does he have? Oh, there's like 2.
2 on this side.
All right, here you go, get yourself a picture.
A couple spots.
Nick, you're so handsome. You're so handsome there. Look at that. Yeah, hell yeah.
Oh, I got fish juice in my face.
Oh, yeah.
This one feels good, Mike.
Okay, I got you.
I'm gonna need the net on this.
Okay.
Gotta work about this pylon. There we go. Got him free.
Well, don't break your rod tip.
Yep, it's a good red.
Don't break your rod. Let him run. Almost.
Almost. Take your time. Take your time. Right by you.
This is really trying to get the head first. There we go. We did it. Nick, take your fish, man. Okay.
That's a keeper.
That is a keeper. Oh my God.
This guy's definitely a keeper.
Nice catch, man. Yeah, buddy. That's why we come out here. Right there.
Thought I was gonna lose him on that, around that pylon for a minute there.
Yeah. All right, so calm and moving water.
Look at that hook, dude. That's how close he was to getting away. Look how close that hook was to breaking in half.
Yeah, your rod tip is completely bent over. Yeah, there was a lot of torque.
Right at 20.
20-incher.
It's a perfect eating size, man.
Yeah.
Still nice, sweet meat.
All right, let's keep it going. We got structure. Oh, it was zinging. All right. Well, we're headed back from our fishing adventure. We did catch a couple. we caught some fish. I caught a catfish. So, but Nick over here, he caught 2 reds, which is very cool. We're headed back to the dock now.
Sail, sail away, sail away.